Today we will discuss about class 10th maths. The chapter is probability. So first of all we need to know about the definition of probability. According to mathematics, in probability, a measure of uncertainty is provided by a branch of mathematics called theory of probability. Or we can say that if an event A can happen in m ways and fail in n ways, all these ways being equally likely to occur, then the probability of happening of A is PA is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of favorable outcomes. Or we can say that PA is equals to m upon m plus m. ओके, इस डेफिनेशन को क्लियर कर लेते हैं। प्रोबेबिलिटी का मतलब होता है हैपन होने के चांसेस, हैपनिंग चांसेस कि किसी भी घटना के घटित होने की कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है, कितनी संभावना है। जनरली इसका नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला होता है PA is equal to PA और PE। E मींस इवेंट, इवेंट का मतलब घटना, किसी भी चीज के घटित होने की पॉसिबिलिटीज। तो PA is equals to नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स, favorable outcomes upon total number of favorable outcomes, or P is equals to m upon m plus n. M is number of favorable outcome and m plus n is total number of possible outcomes. Now the next step we will take in probability. The first condition according to dice. So we will take one dice. So let's see what is the possibilities of one dice. So let me erase. Okay, so let's focus on one dice. One dice. So you know about dice. Dice is a playing game. 6 faces होते हैं इसमें, 1 2 3 4 5 and back side 6. So number of favorable outcomes of one dice equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second, two dice. Two dice. Now we need to take two dice. Dice in a form of cube. 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So let me write all outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 and second dice 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's find out the outcomes of two dice. So outcomes are 1 1. We'll take one by one, 1 1, then 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, second row 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and last one 2 6. Next row 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Next 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Last row 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So here is total outcome of two dice. फर्स्ट राउंड में टोटल आउटकम फर्स्ट डाइस का 1 2 3 4 5 6 है, सेकंड डाइस का एज इट इज है, So we will compare one by one. 1 is to 1, then 1 to 2, then 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Second one, 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 6. 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Last one, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. One more way we can solve, we can apply this formula 6 power n. डाइस का टोटल नंबर्स कितने होते हैं 6, आउटकम्स कितने हैं इसके n. दैट मींस 6 into 1, 6 power 1 is equals to 6. Here for two dice 6 power n. So here n is equals to 2, that means 6 power 2 is equals to 6 multiply 6 equals to 36. Let me count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. ऑलराइट, यहाँ पे जो हमने फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है यहाँ पे 6 पावर n इज इक्वल्स, हियर n इज इक्वल्स टू 2, दैट मींस n की प्लेस पे आपको 2 पुट कर देना है यहाँ पे. 6 पावर 2 इज इक्वल टू 6 6 36. टू डाइस का जो भी आउटकम होगा वो 36 होगा. ओके, प्लीज नोट डाउन. नाउ लेट्स सी कॉइन. Coin. You know about coin? Coin means सिक्का होता है. Coin have two outcomes. One coin have two outcomes, head and tail. So one coin will find out the outcomes of one coin is equals to head and tail. Two coins is equals to head tail. So outcomes are head tail, head tail and tail head. So basically we always apply the formula of coin 2 power n. That means 2 is the outcome of coin and n indicates number of coins. So let's take n is equals to 1. 1 means for one coin. So that means 2 power n is equals to 2 power 1. For one coin is equals to 2. In one coin, outcomes will be 2, 1 and 2. For two coins, same formula we will apply 2 power n. But here n is equals to 2. We are talking about two coins. That's why we will take n equal to 2. That means 2 power 2 is equals to 2 multiply 2 equal 4. So outcomes will be 4. Head tail, tail head and tail head. Now we will take 3 coin. So 3 coins. Draw 3 coins. Head tail head and head tail. So same formula. In this case we will apply same formula 2 power n. Here n is equals to 3 because coin is 3. That means 2 power 3 equals 2 multiply 2 is equals to 8. So we need to write down 8 outcomes. So let's write one by one. Head tail. Okay. So head tail first, tail head second, triple head, then tail head 1 2 3 4 5, 3 more, tail tail, head, 6, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. What is missing? Check out one by one. Head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, 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 head, 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 tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head. Head and tail is missing. So here is outcomes of 3 points. So let me read one by one. Head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and head, tail, and last one, head. Now we are going to discuss about cards. Cards is very important in probability chapter and always come in exam. So let's take cards. Okay. Cards. Generally, cards are 52 types. There are 2 branches: red card and black card. Cards total 52 होते हैं, रेड कार्ड्स एंड ब्लैक कार्ड्स. रेड कार्ड्स 50% कार्ड्स होते हैं, रेड कार्ड्स 26 एंड ब्लैक कार्ड्स 26 and 26. रेड कार्ड्स की टू ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड करते हैं, ब्लैक कार्ड्स को भी 2 ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड करते हैं. डिवाइड रेड कार्ड बिटवीन 2 ब्रांचेस एंड डिवाइड ब्लैक कार्ड बिटवीन 2 ब्रांचेस. फर्स्ट हर्ट एंड डायमंड, black card spade and club. There will be 30. Okay. Now in heart, king, queen, jack, egg. And then numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one 10. As it is, we will write in every branches: king, queen, jack, egg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another: king, queen, jack, and 2, 3, 4, 5. This one: king, queen, jack, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what is common? यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि king, queen, jack है, king, queen, jack है, king, queen, jack है, king, queen, jack है, and numbers 2 to 10. ये सभी cards में equally, the cards are divided equally in each part: heart, diamond, spade, club. इस पे कुछ questions देखेंगे. We will see some questions related to cards. So let's see. Okay. First question is related to dice. So let's see first question. Find the probability. Find the probability of throwing A, 3, B, and even number with and ordinary. Listen, यहाँ वर्ड ऑर्डिनरी आया है, तो ऑर्डिनरी मीन्स सामान्य होता है। यहाँ सामान्य डाइस, नॉर्मल डाइस की बात कर रहा है। 6 फेस डाइस, ओके। सो ऑर्डिनरी फेस डाइस की वर्ड यहाँ पे ऑर्डिनरी वर्ड आया है। ऑर्डिनरी फेस डाइस यूज हम करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6। so condition number 1 is find out the probability of 3. so you can see in outcomes of dice 3 number comes one time, so we will apply the same formula, probability event number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, all right. So total number of outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total number of outcomes 6. Number of outcomes means जिस कंडीशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए बोल रहा है 3, आपको फाइंड करना है, इसमें सर्च करना है वेयर इज 3। ये कितने टाइम्स है, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, जनरली वन टाइम ही है इसमें, तो आप आउटकम्स क्या हो जाएगा 1/6। The first answer is the outcome of 3 is 1/6. Okay. Second question. B number. An even number with an ordinary 6 face dice. Outcomes total 1 2 3 4 5 6 ही है हमारे as it is. So same formula we will apply one more time. So total number of outcomes 6. Now even number, but question is changed here. It is talking about even number. So find out even number. What is even number? You know what definition of even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. Okay, all right. So here 1 even number, 2 even number, and 3 even number. So total outcome of even number is 3. So here we will write 3. So we can divide 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. That means 1/2. So the answer of an even number is equals to 1/2. All right. Okay. Let's see another question. Question number second is find the probability of a number selected at random. Find the probability that a number selected at random from the numbers 1 to 25 is not a prime number whom each of the given number is equally likely to be selected. Okay, alright. Let me give one more time. Find the probability that a number selected at random from the number 1 to 25 is not a prime number. Okay, यहाँ clear कर लीजिए। क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है 1 to 25 के बीच में आपको नंबर सेलेक्ट करने हैं, but is not a prime number whom each of the given number is equally likely to be selected. प्राइम नंबर को नहीं लेना है आपको, उसके बाद के जितने नंबर्स हैं उनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी. सो लेट मी राइट डाउन numbers one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 the last one 25. Okay, first of all, before solve this question we need to know about prime number. What is prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. So let's find out the prime number. And one more thing you need to know. 2 is smallest even prime number and 3 is a prime number. 3 is odd smallest prime number, but 2 is smallest even prime number. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 last one. So let's count how many numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total numbers 9. Number of outcomes equals to 9. Okay, let's check one more time. Let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So number of outcome is 9 and total number of outcome is, so let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. So total number of outcomes is 25. Number of outcomes equals to 25. So let's read the same question one more time. Find the probability that the number selected at random from the number 1 to 25 is not a prime number whose each of the given number is equally likely to be selected. Not prime number probability find करनी है. So not prime number probability of event is equals to number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes. So PE is equals to 9 by 25 is your final answer. Okay, you can copy on your notebook. Let's take one more question. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Find the probability of throwing 9 with. Okay, skip करते हैं क्वेश्चन. अभी सिर्फ डाइस की बात कर रहे हैं, डाइस के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. Okay, find the probability of getting number less than. Let's see this question. Find the probability of getting a number less than 5 in a single throw of a dice. Okay, all right. So let's write down one dice outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, total number of outcomes for one dice. I told equals to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let me read one more time. Find the probability of getting a number less than 5. क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि 5 से कम जितने भी नंबर्स हैं वन डाइस में उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करें। 5 नंबर यहाँ पे लेस मतलब कम होता है, इससे कम के नंबर 4, 3, 2, 1. So number of outcome equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me write here. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability event for less than 5 number is 4 by 6 equals to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. You can copy on your notebook. We will see some more questions related to cards and coins in next video. Thank you very much.